Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the footballs for the Goalie Quest and Fix It. So, in this new update, there's a special football team quest where you can earn the football trophy. And to complete the quest, you need to catch 10 footballs like this. You need to turn in 10 footballs on here to get the large football trophy. And so how do you get them? First, just head over to these new locations, these stingray shores, like this, and then in here just fishing on this pond, just fishing like usual, like this, and then after that you will get the footballs, and this football is classified as a rare items. So I recommend using at least a mid-tier fishing rod such as at least timpang rod or any rod that even better. And after that, just simply keep fishing in this pond until you catch the footballs like this. And once you get one, it will appear in your inventory. And then next, just give it to the NPC directly like this. Just tap on turn in a football like this. And then next, just keep repeating the process until you have collected all 10 footballs. And the quest will be complete and you can claim your rewards. And okay, that's it. That's how you can get the footballs for Goalie Quest and Fix It. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.